Hey everyone, Chris here. A few people suggested that I should open up an Etsy shop, and I never really liked the idea with Etsy, but I'm going to give it a try. So it's going to take a little time, and I'm going to migrate. I've migrated a bunch of stuff over to Etsy, and it's right before St. Patrick's Day, so as you can see I had a lot of green stuff there, but actually I've sold a bunch of it already, so I got to replace it with more. So I'm still going to keep open fiddlebone.com. I'm just going to slowly start to migrate things over to Etsy and see how things do. And if I like it, I'll switch everything over to Etsy. So if you go to fiddlebone.com, you'll still see stuff here. All these different beads and some of the pens. And the pens are on sale. Pry bars, closeout jewelry, and stuff like that. So right now I'm trying to put a bunch of stuff up for St. Patty's Day, and if you want it before St. Patty's Day, I would order it this weekend, because if you don't order it this weekend and I don't get it out Monday, sorry about the shaking there, I'm holding this with one hand trying to do two things at once, you would have to order priority shipping, which is going to cost extra. So if you want it before St. Patty's Day, so this way you'll get it by like Friday if you order it this weekend, or at least Monday or Tuesday, if you know, because you never know with the damn postal service. So if I'm going to put a link down below for the Etsy store, and of course for the regular Fiddlebone store, so you can go back and forth between the two, and go check out my new Etsy shop and follow me over there as well. And this is my Instagram, and so you can go follow me on Instagram, so you'll be here on YouTube, Instagram, Etsy, and the original Fiddlebone. And you know, if Etsy works out, I'll just use Fiddlebone for something else, or a information page about my products to direct you to different places. And that's my cat Minnie in the background. Yes, I know, she wants to play. She's being playful. Sorry about that. All right, so thanks for watching, everybody. Like, share, subscribe, and have a wonderful day.